Hi first graders, I'm going to show you how you can access your math on the computer. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to your teacher's online distance learning website and then go to the current week and the current day. I'm just going to go to Monday and then we come down to math. Okay, and then you will click on the Go Math book to open it. And from here, you'll need to make sure that each of these is correctly filled out. It will show up just saying select country, select school, select each thing. But as you pick each thing, it will help identify who you are. I can click on the letter U and it will jump down to those U's so I don't have to scroll through the whole list. Okay, and same with each one. So Granite School District and Rolling Meadows. Okay. If you then click on the check mark and make sure it is there, it will not require you to enter that information every time. Okay, I'm going to move my picture down here as I do username and password because the username and password is your 9 number and I don't want to share somebody else's 9 number with everybody. So we'll go ahead and click on those and log in, and it will come up here and it will show things to do, my library, and my scores. So clicking on things to do will take you to the current assignments you've been given. Okay, now notice it says here, click the Done button to let your teacher know you've completed your assignments. Well, I see a Done button on 4 of them, but this one does not have the Done button. That is because when you complete this assignment, it will automatically tell me you are done. And this is the assignment which is required. Okay, the one with parentheses is optional. It will give you manipulatives, which you can use to help increase your understanding of what we are working on. And then those that are labeled with Mega Math are games which you can play to help increase your understanding of the concept. And so if you choose to use those, then you can click Done after, and it will send me a message. But this is the one that is required. So you would just click on the one you want to do at that time. I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want to mess up anybody's work. But you would click on that and it would take you through the process. Now the My Scores section would let you see the different activities that you complete and the score you got on them, how many you got right. And My Library gives you a lot of other tools and games you can use. So here's the Mega Math folder. So that will have the games that were there before on the other page, but it will have a lot of other games that you can explore as well. Okay. And then this one at the top, the iTools, it will show you a lot of different things you can use to help increase your understanding of math. So we've got counters, base 10 blocks, number lines, number charts, graphs, fractions, geometry, measurement, algebra, and probability. Lots of different things you can use. So it's a little bit fun to explore. But the things to do tab is the tab that tells you where to complete your assignments. Okay, enjoy your learning and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.
Hey, so I just learned something that we need to know about doing our Go Math Online, and that is that you actually have to turn in the assignments. So when you are doing the questions and you get to, whenever you finish a question, I would press next to go to the next question. But when I'm on the last question, there's no arrow that says next. Instead, after you answer the question, there will be a button over here that says to turn it in. I don't have the button because I'm the teacher, and so mine just looks a little bit different. But for you, there will be a button that says turn in. You have to finish that to send the notice to the teacher saying that you completed the work, okay? And don't forget that you should always check your answer on each question to make sure you are doing the math right. Okay? So when you are on the last question, there's no arrow to go to the next one. You turn it in. Happy learning.